Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Trello's Priority Chart Power-Up, a game changer for managing your tasks. First up, you need to enable this power-up. Head to your Trello board, go to the Show Menu tab, click on Power-Ups, then search for Priority Chart. Click on Add to activate it. This is crucial because power-ups enhance your Trello experience by bringing additional features to your boards. Now that we've done that, let's set up our priority chart. Click on the new Priority Chart button that appears on the top of your board. You'll see a drop-down menu. Click on Set Up Chart. Then choose the lists and labels you want to include in your chart. The reason we do this is to customize the chart to match our project's needs and priorities. Next, it's time to assign priorities. Go back to your board and start clicking on each card. You'll notice a new priority field. Assign each card a priority level from highest to lowest. This helps us because it allows us to visually see and manage our tasks based on their importance. If you want to change the priorities later, just revisit the card and adjust as needed. Let me explain why this matters. As projects evolve, so do their priorities. This feature allows for easy adjustments. Now let's view our priority chart. Go back to the Priority Chart button and click on View Chart. You'll see a beautiful visualization of your tasks according to their priority levels. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This chart is aggregating all your tasks and prioritizing them, giving you a clear picture of what needs your attention first. And there you have it. Using Trello's Priority Chart Power-Up is as simple as that. It's an effective tool that takes your project management to the next level. Remember, priorities are key to productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next tutorial.